Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and identify the right Coinbase app, then install it on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So first, I'll uninstall this app. Now, to install this app, you need to search for it through either Google Play Store if you're on Android or App Store if you're on iPhone. For this case, I'm on Android smartphone. This is a Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. I'll therefore go to Google Play Store here. Then log in with my Gmail before I can search for the app by name. So I'll just search for Coinbase like that and then run the search. Now here you can see we have the app. To know that you have the right app, make sure it is from Coinbase Incorporation. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 3 with over 911,000 reviews. So it has a huge following. Currently, this app has been downloaded over 50 million times and the average file size is around 88 MBs. So by the time you're watching this, these statistics might have changed. However, if you see these details, then you will know that you have the right app. Now, the tagline is buy crypto and stock. That is the tagline for this, and this is the current logo. To get the app, now tap on install, and this will download the latest or the current version of Coinbase and finally install it on your smartphone. Now, once it has been installed, you can open it from here, or if you go back to your apps, you should be able to find it. Let's see if it is there. And look at that, our app is available. Tap on it to open, and this is the welcoming interface with this blue background. Now you can set up your account or log in if you already have an active account to start your trading on this app. So that's how you can get the right Coinbase app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.